Osha, the genesis of these decadence, no, ebeye.
Well, said the soft cano, a womusa, say a bind, no, yeah, a play a pivotal role. Now, a nya buying, sorry. Until we be say it is a reproach for religion and government to suffer so much poverty and excess.
Okay.
Just say, or maybe a nipa ankasano. Say, uhia nipa domono ye ubia wo faith, GDA, baby and GDA wono. A hono influence more chain baby. Inti anka religious leaders ye very influential sin in pebia.
When you say sorry bit my recommend say men to ngwa abontin men boni men ye boni so still because back in bia and who I enforce laws ninti o kan what can go from am.
Oh they be me come say humanitarianism and utilitarianism and humanism no has not been a conscious part of our orientation as far as the church and the mosque is concerned. So sa enema ehia yen pa no ne nyamesom no ye de eno asi baabi ana ye bibi foforo nti ama nyamesom impact no de it is not felt and no the major cause of our problems because the woman say religion and nanka it has been a source of our enlightenment, prosperity and harmony with nature. But to some extent, religious misconception, any scholarly deviation, also anachronism, all the prejudice, what do you call it, credulity and so on.